Hi teacher friends, so I got a bunch of requests for how I made my bathroom pass sign out contactless COVID tracing QR code thing for my desks this year. So I thought I would do a quick video to show you how to do it in case those of you who don't work at my school want to do it too. We use Microsoft and Office 360 at our school, and so we have access to Microsoft Forms, which is just in your little waffle up here in the corner once you sign in, and you'll just select Forms. You create a new form. Title it whatever you want. I'll call this one Bathroom Pass Sign Out Tutorial. And you can add a description there if you want. On mine, it was please wait for permission to sign, which I put on my Microsoft Words document when I imported the QR code. So I'm going to hit Add New, and you can pick the type of question that you want. For text, you can choose first name, last name, however you want to organize your kids. Make sure you click Required down here in the bottom, otherwise kids can move on and complete the form without filling out all the information that you need. So first name, last name, checking again to make sure it's required. We can choose a date option here, and it will give you the choice to pick up a calendar where they can just click on it. Text, we can do time. You can add to the corner of this like I did on mine. Please be exact. If you want to do another thing like a choice option, you can do class period, and you can give them options, first period, second period, however it is you want to format it, but still making sure that we're clicking required every time. You can choose a theme up here in the corner. If you want to change it, you can pick and add your own theme to make it cutie, whatever you want to do. You can also preview it to see what it looks like before you actually make it live, adding all the questions that you need on it or whatever you need in terms of your administration to track things for hall passes. Now, the nice thing about Microsoft Forms is that it actually gives us a QR code, and I will show people who don't do Microsoft Forms how to do this on Google as well. But if you click Share, right here in the bottom with Microsoft Forms, it will give you a QR code. So when you click that, it's going to ask if you want to download it. So all I did was download my QR code, and then I took it out of the PNG format, copied it, opened up a Word document, and then I did bathroom pass, sign out, please ask before scanning, or however it is you want to word yours. And then I dropped my QR code in, and it comes in huge. Just take it and shrink it down, make it look like however you want, whatever size you want. And then I just copy pasted this a whole bunch of times into a couple of columns, split them apart, and taped them to my desk. And so that's all I did in order to create this in Microsoft Forms. So super easy to do. If you choose to do this in Google, you can do it just as easily. I also am a Google Forms lover. So you can do forms.google.com. You create it the same way. When you sign into your Google account, you can tell I love Google Forms. I've had lots and lots of those over the years, but it's the exact same process where you decide how you want to title it, Bathroom Pass Tutorial, email address, whatever it is you want the kids to add. You just keep hitting add question over here, and it'll give you all the different types. You can do drop down, check boxes. It has a couple more options than you have on Microsoft Forms. So the difference here is when you're ready for this one, and I'm going to add here name, and we'll just do it as a short answer. So in order to make this one live, when you hit send, it gives you the options to either do it via email, a link, or an embedded HTML if you were going to put this like on your website or something for kids to be able to sign out like that if you can't do a QR code. However, you can also hit that little preview button, and up at the top you're going to copy paste your URL. The website I always use is goqr.me. So once you open up this website, you're going to click on the one that looks like the little World Wide Web, drop in your address, and you've got a QR code automatically linked to that form. So the exact same process. You're going to download this QR code. When it pops up, you take it and do the exact same thing. So you're going to pick up the frame, copy it, pick your Word document, same thing, bathroom pass sign out, drop in your QR code, shrink it down, copy paste over and over, and format it to however it is you want to be able to cut and tape them to your desk. Super simple. Both of them will automatically log all the kids' responses to either that Google form you created or your Microsoft Forms that you created, and you can either look at those as individual responses, so it kind of looks like a worksheet on your computer, or you can open them up in Excel, and you'll be able to sort and filter that data, or in Google Sheets if you do it that way. So you can sort and filter to see like who's going most often, where are they going. I added the desk coordinates to mine just to help me figure out which kids were passed when this kid left the bathroom or whatever. But I did this because I had them in big places across my room and big signs across my room, and I realized it was going to be really disruptive to other kids around them for a kid to be holding up their iPad trying to scan these signs all over the room. And kids might have to get up to get closer to it, and then we've got movement in the room. So I thought that taping these to the desk would be a better way to do this. It keeps kids seated until they absolutely need to move. It gives us a way to contactless trace these kids, and it helps meet those requirements to make sure we know where kids are, when they are, and it helps us track their habits across time. So I hope that this was helpful. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any other questions, and I'm happy to help. Good luck.